What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. And we have so much to talk about today, including the Trusted Signals website, Automated Trader, and Gold Killer EA. You can get both of them for the price of one. And if you are a lifetime member from Automated Trader, you can message me right now, and we're giving you this for free for the delay, okay? And this thing is gonna go ahead and be a beast. And then we're gonna go ahead and talk about what tools we removed if you're already a lifetime member, and exactly how to get access to everything that we offer right now. So number one, if you're a new trader, you're gonna stop emotional trading, you're gonna stop missing signals, and then you're gonna stop blowing accounts. And I can confidently say that you're not gonna have any more blown accounts, because we actually have back testable bots. We offer 3 Trusted Signals bots, and these things are built with risk management, stop loss, take profits, and everything that you need if you're a rookie trader, a beginner trader, or an expert trader. Now, if you're a lifetime member or a monthly member as well, I want you to go directly to your WAP right now, because we actually removed a lot of the indicators and then re-added them to the back end of the WAP. And if you're a new member, these are all the tools that we offer, which is simply amazing. And we ended up updating the Prime Suite, and the Prime Suite has some crazy features, which basically removes the trend meter, the TS scalper, the support and resistance, the currency strength indicator. And I want to go ahead and actually show that to you right now, because this tool is simply amazing. This is the Prime Suite Pro. As you guys can see here, these are the Prime overlays. So we ended up removing a bunch of the tools and added them into one indicator, so that way you don't have to have a cluttered chart. And obviously you guys can see right here, these are some of the bots profits, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove this right here, load that up. And as you guys can see, the indicators are loading on the screen. Now, as you guys can see here, this is the scalper, and this is the support and resistance. So these things are simply amazing. And the next indicator that I actually wanna go ahead and talk about is the Price Analysis Pro, because this is the complete smart money concepts, the order blocks, the fair value gaps, and Fibonacci, with a bunch more built into this specific tool right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go like this, and as you guys can see here, this is gonna go ahead and give you your basically everything that you need when it comes to your smart money concepts. And if you go ahead and add this with the trend meter, you guys can see how powerful our tools are. And this is on the 1 minute. So we're not looking for buys here, we're only looking for sells. And we have so many other tools that are gonna go ahead and help you take your trading to the next level, like our buy and sell Trusted Signals indicator. This is the one that literally blew us up back in 2020. This is the best buy and sell indicator that there is on the TradingView platform. And like I said, we actually have bots that are gonna go ahead and be 100 times better than this, because they're actually back testable. And we actually have 1,500 people who are actively still using this every single day in their trading. So if you're a trader that wants to go ahead and take your trading to the next level, trust me, Trusted Signals indicators, the #1 on the planet. And if you guys wanna go ahead and talk about like actually automating your indicators, we have Automated Trader, which is gonna go ahead and release sometime this week. So if you're watching this video right now, I'm gonna go ahead and offer my discount code, which is gonna go ahead and give you access to the 2-for-1 Automated Trader Gold Killer EA. And the Gold Killer is live right now. So if you guys wanna go ahead and join the Discord, get access to all the tools, now is the time. In the last week, this thing is up 13% on a $10,000 account. And if you think 13% can go ahead and change your life, I expect you to go ahead and click the link in the comments right now, because you're not gonna go ahead and get tools that work exactly like this by sitting on the sideline. And to make this offer even a little bit better, if you just wanna go ahead and get EA Traders Gold EA, now is the time. I'm also gonna go ahead and extend for the next 48 hours code ChrisP, so that way you guys can also get the Gold Killer EA as well. If you don't want to go ahead and get Automated Trader, or if you are on a budget, you can go ahead and use code ChrisP for 50% off the EA. And look, we launched today and we already have 21 people who are gonna go ahead and be profitable this week. Okay guys, so now is the time for you guys to join. Speaking about joining, you're gonna want to join Trusted Signals, because we are gonna release the newest Trade Alerts dashboard, and right now lifetime members are gonna go ahead and get first access. And this thing is jam-packed with entry, stop loss, take profits, and then you can also even copy the signals and send them to your friends. You can view the chart that signal is on, and you can automate using Automated Trader by 1 click. And this is gonna be jam-packed with the best alerts, because we're literally gonna go ahead and implement V4. V4 is gonna go ahead and be amazing. So guys, if you want to go ahead and level up your trading, all the links are going to be in the comment section. And if you stayed until the end of the video, I want to go ahead and know, drop down a comment right now, V4, drop a comment right now, V4, and use code ChrisP when it comes to checkout. You guys are going to go ahead and get the best bonuses. And until the next video, your boy is out. All right, hit that like button, hit that sub button if you guys want more strategy videos, more preset videos, and all that good stuff. I cannot wait to see you guys on the other side of the EA Trader, the Gold Killer. This thing is going to go ahead and be amazing. So hit that like, hit that sub. The next video is going to be a banger. So stay tuned. Peace.